Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be continuing with the exponents and powers. So here I'll be explaining the problem how to solve. Now the first question I have selected is using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. In the earlier video I have explained you what are the laws of exponents. So basing on those formulas, I have taken the selective problems wherein we can use the laws. So I have taken the example like this. It is 3 square into 3 power 4 into 3 power 8. Now whenever any problem is given, you need to read the question and then you have to analyze what is given and what you have to find out. Now here it is 3 square and you can observe that all the bases are same. Now here all the bases are same and you have a different powers. Now to this you have a formula, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Now you can observe that both the bases are same and the power is varying. Now in this case it is a to the power of m plus n. If bases are same, you can add up the powers. So let's take the question. 3 square into 3 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 8. As the bases are same, you can take the base one time and add up the powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. So this is 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. Yes, so here I have used the formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Now the next one is 6 to the power of 15 divided by 6 to the power of 10. Now here by seeing the problem you need to decide which formula you are going to use. Now here it is the division. So here you are going to use a law of a to the power of m by a to the power of n, where you have a to the power of m minus n when m is greater than n, and 1 by a to the power of n minus m when n is greater than m. Yes, so this is regarding the division. This law is applicable. Now you have to decide which formula you are going to use. Now see the powers. Check whether the power of numerator is bigger or the denominator is bigger. Now I'll just write. So this can be written as 6 to the power of 15 by 6 to the power of 10. Now check whether the numerator power is bigger or denominator power is bigger. Now numerator power is bigger, so that is m is greater. So you are going to use this formula. Yes, so let me erase the other one. So this is the formula we are going to use. So that is nothing but 6 to the power of m minus n. So that is 15 minus 10. Now 15 minus 10 is nothing but 6 to the power of 5. Yes, so this second problem. Now here it is nothing but division. So I have taken this formula and you have to check whether m is greater or n is greater and you have to take the formula accordingly. So let me explain the third one. Yes, the third problem is 3 power 4 whole power 3. Now you have to decide which formula you are going to use. Now here this is in the form of a power m whole power n. Now this formula is nothing but this is nothing but power of power. In this case this is nothing but m into n. You are going to multiply the two powers. Yes, so let me take the problem. 3 power 4 in whole to the power of 3. Now you need to multiply the powers. 3 to the power of 4 into 3. Now 3, 4 into 3 is 12. Yes. So let me explain the next one. So you need to be perfect. You need to be perfect with the loss of indices. Then you can easily calculate the problem. Yes, the fourth one is 5 square whole to the power of 3 divided by 5 cube. Now here there are two formulas you are going to use. The first one, you are going to use the formula a power m whole power n, and then you are going to divide it. So you are going to use another formula a power m by a power n, where you have to check whether numerator power is greater or denominator power is greater, and you have to simplify. So let me do the first part. So it is a power m whole power n, so that is nothing but 5 to the power of 2 into 3 divided by 5 to the power of 3. Now it is nothing but 5 power 6 divided by 5 cube. Now this can be written as 5 power 6 by 5 cube. Now again you have to check whether the numerator power is bigger or the denominator power is bigger. Now you have numerator power is bigger. Now if m is greater, you have a formula a power m by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Yes, so this is nothing but 5 to the power of 6 minus 3, m minus n. So you are going to subtract 6 minus 3, that is nothing but 5 to the power of 3. So let me continue with the next problem. So the next problem is simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Now here you are going to simplify the problem and write the answer in exponential form. So the first one is 2 cube into 3 to the power of 4 into 4 by 3 into 32. Now here you can see that 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 cube into 3 to the power of 4 into, and this can be written as 2 square by, now here 3 into, and here you can see that 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. So this can be written as 2 square. In the same way 32. So 32 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you want, you can check by doing a prime factorization method, that is 32, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. So 2 is multiplied 5 times, so you are going to get 32. So in exponential form I can write it as 2 power 5. So I am writing it 2 power 5. Now see here 2 is repeated 2 times. So I can make it as 2 to the power of 3. First I am writing in same place, that is near to it. 2 cube into 2 square into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 into 2 to the power of 5. So here bases are same, add the powers. So 2, 3 plus 2 into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 into 2 to the power of 5. So this is nothing but 2 to the power of 5 into 3 power 4 by 3 into 2 to the power of 5. Now you can see that in the numerator it is 2 power 5 and in denominator 2 power 5. You can simply cancel. Now here leftover is 3 power 4 by 3. Now normally what is the meaning of 3 power 4? That is 3 is multiplied or repeated 4 times by, and you have in denominator 3. You can simply cancel and the leftover one is 3. 3 is repeated 3 times, it is 3 power 3. Now, instead of doing this, you can use the formula, that is 3 power 4 by 3. Now, I am taking this part. Yes, 3 power 4 by 3. So, 3 in the sense, in power you have 1. Yes, so this is in the form of a power m by a power n, where m is greater. If m is greater, the formula is 3 to the power of a to the power of m minus n. In place of m, you have 4. So write 4 minus n. N is in denominator, that is 1 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3 power 3. Yes, so this the answer you obtained is 3 cube, and here it is 3 cube. You have used the formula a power m by a power n, that is a power m minus n. And we have obtained the answer like this. So let me explain the next one. The second problem is 5 square whole to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 4 whole divided by 5 power 7. So first let me simplify within the bracket 1. So I am just taking the first part. It is in the form of a power m whole power n. Power of power, that is nothing but a power m into n. So it is 5, 2 into 3 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 power 7. Now this is 5, 2 into 3 is 6 into 5 to the power of 4 whole divided by 5 power 7. Now here bases are same. So here I am using the formula, since a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Now here I have used a formula of a power m whole power n, that is equal to a to the power of m into n. Yes, so the next step. Now because the base are same, add the powers. So 5 power 6 plus 4 whole divided by 5 power 7. Now this is nothing but 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 7. Now this is in the form of a power m by a power n. Now you have to decide which formula you are going to decide, whether you have a numerator power more or the denominator power more. Now it is the numerator power value is more, so the formula is a power m minus n. So yeah, so this is nothing but 5 power 10 by 5 power 7, because the numerator power is bigger, 5 to the power of 10 minus 7. So this is nothing but 5 to the power of 10 minus 7 is 3. So hope you have understood. Now see, wherever I have used the formula, I have written that, which will be easy for you to understand. Yes, so at last I got it as 5 cube. So let me continue with the next one. Yes, the third one is the third problem is 3 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 0 in the brackets into 5 to the power of 0. Now here this bracket indicates that you need to solve this and then you have to go for the next one. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Yes, so this you have to remember. Now 3 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1 plus a to the power of 0, any number to the power of 0 is 1. Now if at all you have in a to the power of 1, it is a to the power of 2 indicates it is a into a, that is a is multiplied 2 times. Now here a to the power of 0 is 1. So here the value of 3 power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power of 0 is 1 in brackets into 5 to the power of 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 into now 5 to the power of 0. As I told you, a to the power of 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So it is 1. 2 ones is 2. Here I have used a formula a power 0 is equal to 1. Now do remember that any number to the power of 0 is 1. So these all the laws of the indices and the problems related to the laws of indices. I have used the laws and I have solved the problems. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.